What it is, what it do, what up, people? It's vdoestech, and today we're checking out the Fifine K683A. Now, I did receive this as a review unit, but they didn't ask me to say anything specific. They asked if I wanted to check it out, and I said sure. Now, before we go any further, let me just say this. I am in no way a mic expert. I have used a total of 3, 4, 5 divided by 6, carried the 3, 2 mics. So I am a noob in the audio game. So I can only speak about what I hear and feedback I receive from you guys. Now, let me show you what you get in the box. You have your metal stand, your double layer pop filter, your 2-in-1 USB cable, and of course, the mic itself. Now, the build quality on this thing is A1. And get this, it's $50. $50. Now, the price isn't what got my attention. And something you may or may not know, on my channel, everything is recorded with my phone, meaning the audio depends on what device I'm using at that time. Now, don't get it twisted. The mics on our devices can be really good, but at the end of the day, it's not going to be the real mic. But once I saw that they claimed this could be hooked up with Type-C, I had to find out if it actually worked. And spoiler alert, guess what? It works. But you already guessed that, huh? Now, I've been using this for about the last month and shot my last 4 videos with this. I didn't tell anybody anything. I just shot the videos like normal and kept it moving. Now, that's been both good and bad. Let me tell you this. All of a sudden, I started receiving compliments talking about how good my audio was and how it was time that I finally upgraded. I was like, dang, have y'all been feeling like this whole time? Why didn't you tell me my audio was that bad? I thought it was good. So yeah, that backfired. But all that to say this, it's worth it. And it doesn't just stop at phones. Besides the obvious of computers and laptops, it also works on tablets. I've been using it on my Samsung Tab S7 with no issues. And you know what I do over here. Of course I had to do the PS5 test. And get this, it works with both Type-C and USB. Hey, yo, flawless victory. Fi-Fi wins.
Impressive.
Now, real quick, let me just show you my recording environment. As you can see, this area isn't sound treated in any way. It's just open space next to my window. So if your area has better conditions than mine, hey, you'll be getting even better results. Now, I haven't even brought up that it has a headphone jack on the back so you can monitor your audio and a mute button. Now, my biggest dislikes about this mic is that it doesn't come with an arm. That way you can adjust it and bring it closer to you. And one more thing I don't like about this, the stand that you do prop the mic up on, it doesn't have the best angles. So as you can see, I'm sitting here trying to find faults with this mic. You're getting a lot of value at this price point. But hey, this has just been my experience. Hit me up in the comments with any questions. Until next time, it's vdoestech. I'll see you when I see you. Later.